Hey, what's going on, everyone? We're going to try some online hacking. Someone actually hacked me during one of my games, and I wasn't recording. I was just trying to do some upgrade stuff, and I actually won. So, he was trying to hack me, and I ended up killing him. So let's see. Let's wait for the hacking to happen. If we can get into a game, and let's frickin'. We're 1-0 right now. I want to go undefeated. I'm so happy. I want to jump on this. Look. Yeah! I won one so far. So we're searching for people. I don't want to get hit though.
Out now.
Alright, we'll take this car from this guy while we're waiting. Alright, so, like I said, I've only played one of the online hacking, and it wasn't even because I wanted to. It was just because someone was trying to hack me. So, so let's see when we're trying to actually hack someone if we can get it done. All right, here we go. We got Damo. Yep, let's accept. All right, here we go. Activated. So we have to hack them, and we have to kind of get away or not let them find us.
We need you to hack them and install a back door for us.
Okay. All right, we gotta stay in this vicinity. We're hacking him. Come on. He is pissed. He knows he's being hacked. 9%, 10%. Oh shit, he's right there. I think he sees us. Come on. Come on, Damo. You can't see me. I can see you, though. I'm behind this car. Hey-oh. Where are you? Shit. He's getting close to us. He is getting really, really close. So we're gonna hide here. Damo, I'm over here. Look at him. Look at him. He's just running. He doesn't know what's going on. Where am I going? Where is this guy? I'm right here, Damo. Oh shit, I think he sees us now. I think he sees us now. We are in the hacking zone. Come on. Come on, Damo. This is good. Oh, we're out of the zone. We gotta get back in the zone. We're back in the zone. We're at 69% hat. 69. Where is he? I don't even see him. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Damo. Oh, he is getting really close. He's getting really close to where we are. Where is he? Are we gonna win this? Yeah! He's not even trying anymore. We're installing a back door right into his ass. How about Dumbo? 2-0, bitches! All I gotta say, 97, 98, 99, 2-0, Willboski. That's what it is all about. Winner, 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 chicken dinner. Victim, Undamo. Yeah. All right, so that's my first online. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm gonna put more of these since I'm 2-0. That was a lot of fun. So giddy up, and we'll do another online at another time.